Hello guys, welcome to GenVoice Education YouTube channel. So guys, in this YouTube channel, you will get lots of information about general knowledge, current affairs, and also various multi choice questions. So guys, what you want to do, just subscribe the channel, like it and share it. All these questions will be useful for your exams and also and your best career plan. So let's start today episode. So guys, today I am going to start top 30 social GK questions. So guys, it will be as a episode 1. So I will be launching episode 2 and episode 3 in a series wise. So the 2 and let's start today episode. The first question is, where has the largest concentration of Harappan sites been found? Answer is Gagar Hakra. Okay, and question number 2, where was the copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered? So the answer is at Damabad. Okay, and question number 3, which Chola ruler converted the Bay of Bengal into Chila Lake? So guys, this question is very important. So which Chola ruler converted the Bay of Bengal into a Chila Lake? So the answer is Rajendra I. So question number 4, who laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? Repeating the question again, who laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? So the answer is Danti Durga. So repeating the answer again, that is Danti Durga. And question number 5, which ruler at first assumed the title of Hazarat-i-Allah and afterwards Sultan? So repeating the question again, which ruler at first assumed the title of Hazarat-i-Allah and afterwards Sultan? So the answer is Sher Shah Suri. Answer is Sher Shah Suri. Moving to question number 6, Mughal dynasty was to Bahadur Shah Jafar has Lodi dynasty was to which ruler? Okay, repeating the question again, Mughal dynasty was to Bahadur Shah Jafar as Lodi dynasty was to which ruler? So the answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Okay, so question number 7, when the first metal tool came into being, why was it used for? So guys, it's very important question. When the first metal tool came into being, why was it used for? The question is clearing jungles. So to clear the jungles, the first metal tool has came into existence. Okay, when did the concept of pollution emerge clearly? So it is a very important question. They will ask in IAS or any social service examination. When did the concept of pollution emerge clearly? In the post-Vedic period. So answer is in the post-Vedic period. Question number 9, which of the Vedas was divided into white and black parts? Repeating the question, which of the Vedas was divided into white and black parts? So the answer is Yajur. Yajur. Question number 10, who is the often described as the second Parasurama or the exterminator of the entire Kasturiya race? Repeating the question again, who is often described as the second Parasurama or the exterminator of the entire Kshatriya race? Okay, so the answer is Mahapadarna. Okay, Mahapadarna. So question number 11, who was the Nanda ruler at the time of Alexander's invasion? Repeating the question again, who was the Nanda's ruler at the time of the Alexander's invasion? Answer is Dhana Nanda. So answer is Dhana Nanda. To whom the Yavanas refer? So repeating the question again, to whom the Yavanas refer? The answer is Greeks. So question number 13. Who earned the title of a liberator? Repeat the question. Who earned the title of a liberator? Answer is Ashoka. Very important question, guys. The important GK question. So question number 14. Vatapi was the capital of which region? Repeat the question again. Vatapi was the capital of which region? The answer is Chalukyas. Answer is Chalukyas. 15. Which Muslim emperor was attracted by the beauty of Queen Padmini? Repeating the question again. Which Muslim emperor was attracted by the beauty of Queen Padmini? The answer is Alauddin Khilji. Answer is Alauddin Khilji. 16. By whom was the Tahqiq-i-Hind, a famous literary work, written? Repeating the question. By whom was the Tahqiq-i-Hind, a famous literary work, written? Answer is Al-Biruni. Answer is Al-Biruni. Now move to 17. Which Bhakti saint wrote the commentary of Vedanta Sutras in Sanskrit? Very important question in Telugu literature, guys. Which Bhakti saint wrote the commentary on Vedanta Sutras in Sanskrit? Answer is Vallabhacharya. Answer is Vallabhacharya. Question number 18. During the reign of emperor was the literally most perfect and numerous? Repeat the question again. During the reign of emperor was the literally most perfect and numerous? The question is Aurangzeb. Question number 19. Who was last Mughal emperor to sit on the peacock throne? Very important question, guys. Who was the last Mughal emperor to sit on the peacock throne? That is Muhammad Shah. Repeating, Muhammad Shah. Very important, guys. And question number 20. From which ruler did Albuquerque capture Goa? Repeating the question. From which ruler did Albuquerque capture Goa? The correct answer is Bijapur. Okay, Bijapur. Question number 21. Which European was the last to come to pre-independence India as traders? So guys, repeat the question. It's very important for economics. Which European were the last to come to pre-independence India as a traders? And the answer is French. Okay. And question number 22. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Repeating the question. Who was the first Muslim president of National Congress? So the answer is Badruddin Tyabji. So very important question for Congress, guys. Badruddin Tyabji. So moving to question number 23. Who was the first Englishman to preside over a Congress session? Repeating the question again. Who was the first Englishman to preside over a Congress session? So the correct answer is George Euler. George Euler. So 24. Which Urdu poets was invited to the second and third round table conference? So guys, repeating the question again. Which Urdu poets was invited to the second and third round table conference? The correct answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Muhammad Iqbal. Question number 25. Which first movement was launched against the British in India? Which first movement was launched against the British in India? Correct answer is Swadeshi movement. So guys, very important question and can be asked in any competitive exams. Which first movement was launched against the British in India? That is Swadeshi movement. Question number 26. When did East African Development Bank came into force? When did East African Development Bank came into force? 1967. Okay. 27th question. Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of Second Round Table Conference? Who was the British Prime Minister at the second time of the Second Round Table Conference? That is Ramsay MacDonald. Ramsay MacDonald. Question number 28. By whom was the first Republic of World established in Vaishali? By whom was the first Republic of the World established in Vaishali? That is Likavi. Okay, answer is Likavi. 29th question. Between which was the ancient town of Takshashila located? Between which was the ancient town of Takshashila located? That is Indus and Jhelum. Okay, Indus and Jhelum. Who established Diwan-i Muzkaraj Department of Arrears? Who established Diwan-i Muzkaraj Department of Arrears? That is Alauddin Khalji. Alauddin Khalji. So guys, these are the episode 1 top 30 social GK questions. So in this question there are so many questions which can be asked in UPS examination as well as any competitive examination. So please like our video, subscribe it, share as maximum you want. So please, in description there is our Telegram channel, so enroll there to get the free PDF. Thank you.